Hi everyone and welcome to another live trading series. It is lunchtime on Tuesday, August 24th. I don't have a lot of time, but I'm going to show you a few trades, some in my margin that I opened last week and then in my TFSA. I was going to make this a TFSA only video, but last Tuesday I opened 31 day cash secured puts and I was going to close them at hopefully in a couple weeks, maybe make 50% profit. But within just 1 week, if we take a look at Neo and Mara, I opened these in the video last week and they're over 50% profitable. So I'm going to close them out now. The reason why so I did a 31 day option and I've already made over 50% within 7 days. I have 24 days left. The only thing I could make $240 if I waited, or the market could tank, Neo could tank and Mara could tank and I could potentially lose money. So quit while I'm ahead, over 50% profit within 7 days, 7 out of 31. I'm pretty happy. I'm going to close these out. So I have this queued up, close this out, and then also here, we'll just do at market, close this out. And then I'm going to show you just a few trades in my TFSA. So all my options expired early. Right now Corsair is up 3%, so I'm going to sell a few on Corsair and a few on Open. I think Open's doing well. So my cost basis for Open is $16.60, so I can sell. Okay, so I'm profitable on this one. So let's see what we could do on Open. What's going on here? Let me quickly try to do this. So I only have option for monthly, which is kind of annoying, but if I can go out to 19, so I didn't get so if we see 0.4 divided by 1666, that's 2.4% if I choose the 19 strike. So that's not counting the money I would have made on the shares as well. So I'm just going to focus on the options. I'm going to sell for, instead of choosing the midpoint, like it's not going to let me choose, I have to go up by 5 cents at a time. I'm just going to choose this $160 for 3 weeks. Not too bad. I'm going to do something similar on Corsair. Kind of losing money on this. Frustrating, but what can you do? I will choose. So this is slightly less than 1% per month, but it's all I have. That's all I have. So I'm going to keep doing this. I have 200 shares of Corsair. I will sell here. That's only $54. That's pretty sad. What else do we have? There is well.to. So I usually sell at $8 for well, but it's not. So I bought at $7.90. Right now it's at $7.40. So I'm down $500, but I can continue to sell options on it at $8. So yes, I don't think anyone was gonna buy this. I'm gonna wait for now. I do think well will go up a little, and then I'll sell. Like I do think it's been bouncing off of $8. I'm just gonna hold off on this. One last. When I'm going to sell Air Canada, I am down. Whenever I buy shares, the company tanks right after. What's frustrating about Air Canada, I bought at $27.60 and now it's at $25, so down $2,000, but not too worried. I can continually sell Air Canada, so I'm going to go September 17th. If we look at 28, wow, this is not good. This is not that much. Can I try to go October? See how much I can make. So I could make around $240. I think I'll do that. So if we go here, $288. Not that good. What would the return be? I'm thinking, so this is 35 divided by 2750, 1.2%. Not that good. Not that good at all. I'm not sure what I'm going to do on this. I think I'm going to hold off. That's pretty bad. 1.2% for This is like 50 days. So like per month, that's like 0.6%. That's not worth it for me. I'm going to wait to see if Air Canada can get a little more pop, increase a little bit, and then I'll sell a 28 strike covered call. We take a look. What has it been doing? Where's Air Canada? So I do think it'll come. Yeah, it seems to be doing well. It's kind of bullish right now. I'm not going to make anything less than like 1% per month. So I'm just going to wait a little bit. Maybe I can show you guys something else. If we go to, what was it? Spotify. So last week on Spotify, I was in the money. So right now, maybe I could zoom in a little bit. Spotify, when I rolled it, it was 205. So it was in the money and I could have been assigned at any moment, but people don't usually exercise early. There's no point since they don't pay dividends. So why would you exercise? I rolled it from 215 to 210, even though the share price was 205. So it was still in the money. And then Spotify obviously increased and now it was 11 per share. So 1,100 a contract. Now it's at $310 per contract. So pretty good gamble. Not really a gamble. Like I'm bullish on Spotify over the long term. And it's been like, see, I wouldn't mind if we look going all the way back to like April 2020 when it was 117. It did get a recent pop once they started their podcast. So the most recent support, I guess, was 205. That's the lowest it's been. I might, like it does, it hit 381, 385. That's insane. And it has been kind of going down. So this 205 support, it might break this. Like if it breaks below 205, it might be no man's land, anything below there. But in their recent earnings report, they're still negative. They're still losing per share, but they are a growing company, I guess. We'll have to see how their podcast series does. So I think I'm gonna, I don't have much time. I know I should have been more prepared to do this video. I do have to cut this short. That's all I have prepped for now. The majority of with the ones I've closed, majority of my options have been doing well. Again, this is my weekly poor man's covered call. Where is it? So I sell weekly covered call options on Tesla. So I had this leap that I bought for $33,000. It's worth $42,000. And I've been making around $400 per week. I can kind of show that here. So I do have to update this one more to just show. So this is 8/28 or something, 2021, and this was around 400. I'll get the accurate numbers up in here. Sorry, this is not good content, you watching me. So far on the covered calls, I made $5,500. And then on top of that, I'm up $10,000 on the leap. So almost $14,000 if I get assigned by this Friday, which is pretty good. Pretty good. I think I'm going to leave it here for now. I'll have more of a thought out video next time. Just wanted to show you some trades. The most important thing I want to show are closing early. So I opened these last week, closing them within 7 days, 24 days left, but no big deal. Over 50% profit. Take your money and run. The market obviously doesn't go straight up, goes up and down. So when you get, hopefully I can buy back in. Like I don't mind owning NEO at 30 and I don't mind owning Mara at 23. So if we do get a couple red days, I'll just sell more puts and see where we go from there. Thanks for watching. Tune in to the next one.